Thanks everyone for joining me again. This is the Aussie GoGo bird. It costs you about 40 bucks. You can get it in about 3 days from Amazon. Check it out. So once you open it, you get the bird, you get the remote, the manual's on the bottom, and you have a piece of tape. USB charger, screwdriver, and 2 batteries. Let's put 2 of the batteries in. The battery goes in here. There's 2 slots. You can put it either on the left or the right. Here's the on-off switch. Go in diagonally and then push it in. It actually comes with a little plastic screw that goes up here, this little hole, but I lost it. But when you get yours, you should have it. It keeps the battery in place, but I really don't need it. I can put tape if anything. Here's the on-off switch. Don't mind my cut. I got burnt, so my skin got healed. Do it one hand, it's kind of hard. Hold on. It's on now. So let me show you the controls. If you can see, hold it to have it start flapping. On, off. On, I'll show you. On, off, on, off. And these are pre-programmed buttons. So this one will be counterclockwise. This one is clockwise. This one is a circle going in a rectangular circle from top to bottom, and this one goes in the number 8. So if you turn it on and like this, just throw it and turn it on. Throw it up in the sky and turn it on. After you turn it on, if you don't move this, it usually should stay straight, but not all the time. Mine goes a little bit to the right, so I have to hit a little bit to the left. But anyways, to go higher, meaning go up, you push up. If you want to go left, left, right, right. And if you want to slow it down, meaning like drop, oh, not drop, but slow down, push down. And if you're too high and you want to like glide down really fast, just turn it while it's on, just turn it off, and just before you hit the ground, quickly turn it back on. So I'm gonna show you guys the wing. Watch this wing. No, actually, let's examine this real quick. So on the forehead there's a sensor, and at the bottom there's a sensor with 2 wires, if you can see. Supposedly, if it's flying by itself or flying straight into a tree, it's automatically supposed to dodge. There's double wing, I believe, is for continuous flapping, to continue going up. Here's how the gears look. Do a close up. It's just one of those beeper motors connected to some gears, and to turn it would be this wing right here, this little wing. So I'll try to do everything with one hand, but I'm gonna turn it on. But watch this wing. I'm gonna push it to the right, then push it to the left, right, left. So ignore the flapping, but watch out for the wing. So I'm gonna push it to the right first. Right, no, that's left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. As you can see, so now it's just straight. And you push up, it kind of goes straight. You push down, if I push down, it slows down. Push down, and eventually it just shuts off, and that's where it glides. You start it again, and you want to push up for faster. See? That's even faster. Down, and it turns off. And down, 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 down. You don't want it too fast. Now you want it faster. Alright, that's it guys. Left, look at the wing. Right, well, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, down, down, and up. That's it, and off, on. So throw it, hit it, and that's it. Alright guys, it's on. My remote is on. As you can see, it's a little windy, but this bird can only take a little wind. There's some construction workers over there. Let's go over there and show off. So I'm supposed to throw this in the air and do it one hand. Hold on, I'm trying to pause the phone. Up, 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 up. To the right, up, forget it. Can they fly from the ground? Push up, up. No? I'm trying to do it one hand. To the right, up, 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 up. Yeah, it's not very strong. The wind is pushing it. I'll try to head towards the construction workers, but that light wind is pretty strong. Bring it to me. Let's try it again. I'm gonna throw it. Once I throw it, I'm gonna click so I can stop flapping. So right, pretty much now. Just follow it. One more time. It needs to be stronger. Hey, this seems pretty fun to the right. Alright, last try and that's it. This thing cannot handle light wind. Up, 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 up. Stay away from the trees. Whoa.